Hey, sixth graders. Looking at lesson 4 in our current chapter is on using models. The last time we talked about graphs, this time we're talking about models. Our My Planet Diary is a blog written by Maddie. She's from Monrovia, Indiana. One day in 3rd grade, my teacher said that the class was going to construct a model of the water cycle. At that time, I had no idea what the water cycle was or how it worked. When I saw how the water cycle functioned in the model, it gave me a better perspective of how the water cycle worked than a book. Models can give a person a view of something that no book or website can give. So 3 key questions. Why do scientists use models? What is a system, and how are models of systems used? So a model is a representation of a complex object or process used to help people understand a concept that they cannot observe directly. And that's exactly the answer to our key question. So the scientists use models to understand things that they cannot observe directly. A system is a group of related parts that work together to perform a function or produce a result. And once again, that's the exact answer to our key question. So input is material, energy, or information that goes into a system. Process, a sequence of actions in a system. Output, material, energy, result, or product that comes out of a system. Feedback is output that changes a system or allows the system to adjust itself. So we have mechanical systems, which are heating and air conditioning systems, elevators and engines, etc. Environmental systems can be biological, geological, or physical parts. So for example, the sun's rays heat Earth's surface. Warm, moist air rises from the surface. As air rises, it cools. At a certain height, air cools and condensation begins. And 4, water vapor condenses on tiny particles in the air, forming clouds. So that's the system there. Scientists often use models of systems to understand how systems work. So using basic models, a basic model doesn't show all the details of the system, only the major parts, processes, and relationships in the system. But for complex models, scientists often use computer programs to represent all the interactions in a complex system. So El Nino weather event is an example where both water and air are involved, and so that's a complex system that they would use a computer program for. So our vocab, model, a representation of a complex object or process used to help people understand a concept that they cannot observe directly. System, a group of related parts that work together to perform a function or produce a result. Input, material, energy, or information that goes into a system. Process, a sequence of actions in a system. Output, material, energy, result, or product that comes out of a system. And feedback, output that changes a system or allows the system to adjust itself. So for assignment, complete the Edmodo questions for lesson 4. There will be vocab. There will be a question about basic complex models, and then there might be a question or 2 on the mechanical and environmental systems, what those examples are. So please let me know if you have questions or are confused about something, but that's your assignment for today, and have a great day.